So before LUXE, I was at the gym group, and I was a personal trainer for 13 years with Alan Condom, the manager of LUXE Fitness. So the old pod system was very slow and cumbersome. So the difference with this new door system, we have an app where you pull up a QR code, you show it just away from the QR reader, and then the door will flash green, and then you can gain entrance. When designing the building, we looked at aesthetically pleasing areas where people would like to come into the gym environment. We talk of it more like a nightclub feel when people want to come in. Then Record absolutely matched that with the colours, and rather than an old-fashioned pod or old-fashioned door system, the doors are really high-tech.
It's not a big hassle. It's very easy how to use it. So you go in there, you're like, oh, okay, all I have to do is scan my QR code, step in, and the door turns.
So as soon as you're coming through the door, you're seeing an amazing juice bar right in front of you. It's just the full environment and inviting environment we're looking for. It's really important for us to have that from those doors. We feel it's in tune with the modern way people want to come into the gym environment. And it's aesthetically pleasing, especially during peak times, the speed of what we can get members in and out of the building after a class when 20, 30 people are leaving the gym at one time, then we have really quick access and egress from the building.
We've got the reputation of being a high standard gym. 24 hours, so we see different types of people that come into the gym.
The customers have good feedback, so they enjoy the system. They're more than happy. Any membership isn't live or they haven't paid their recent bill, then they won't gain access through the door. Even we'll stop double podding or 2 people coming through the door any time. Emergency button on the side to stop the system straight away. The door will push them backwards and won't let them gain access if there's 2 people in that one side.
People think it's one of those doors you can just come in and push through it. But yeah, we've tried it. It's one of those you just can't push through it unless you're a member. And then yeah, just scan your QR code, step in, and the door will open for you.
So I do work some later hours some days during the week, and I never really have a sense of insecurity. I know how good the system is at not letting anyone in you can't push the door open, for example. It's pretty much impossible. So it's even harder for non-members or just drunk people on a road to get into the gym. I do definitely think that as a female you'd be more inclined to coming into this gym.
I really would recommend this to other gyms. After we've opened the door in January, we've noticed how the members use the door really successfully now, and everyone's really happy with it. We don't have any issues or any complaints now. It's been really user-friendly.
If you're a member and you've paid, it's a pretty easy and straightforward system. If you're not, then it's also pretty easy and straightforward in the sense that it will just not let you in.